This is VDOC number 8, ready to launch.
Hold that steady.
Yep, I got it.
Just wait for a little while so it wickies down there.
Dude, what the heck?
So I haven't fall out.
My lighter's retarded. Come on! You gotta pull back nice and tight.
Okay, hey.
There you go.
Wait. Go.
Nah, not yet. What?
Wick sucks.
Blow on it. What the heck? Shoot it. It's gonna catch on fire in the air. Now. Oh, whatever. Nice.
Yeah.